That's the stiffener.
The stiffener
where the
glider tug goes.
The glider tug, yeah. Those cast iron.
That's going to go there.
It's not cast iron, it's forged steel by the looks of it, isn't
It's
it?
aluminium actually.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, it's aluminium. Oh. That's the glider.
Yeah.
Glider attachment.
Oh, yeah. So that's been passed then, has it?
Yeah,
with a blue ticket on.
But it's never been used.
No.
It was fitted as a mod.
Yeah.
But in case they wanted them for glider tugs, but it was never used. Not in the UK.
No. And this is where a replacement for
that there is for the old Browning ammunition 303.
Yeah.
But the Martin has a different supply belt, so they put another patch on top.
Yeah.
We could have made the new skin with that in, so they didn't need this, but Bob wants it to keep it as original as we can.
Yeah, good.
So it's still going to look the same.
Yeah.
Although it's,
and this part you said last time was okay.
yeah, this is an original piece here, and it has this and this, but these are new, and of course the new skin's underneath while it's been used as a template.
Yeah.
Just marking through. Yeah, that's it.
That's good. It's coming on well, isn't it?
Well, all of a sudden it's it's ready for painting.
You know that part what was roughly cut round the edge to fit in here? Are you making a new one of those?
I don't know.
Oh, the empty side.
No, I might just file it because it just goes inside this.
Yeah.
It was cut rough so that this can be slid in.
Yeah.
But now of course I have it all off and access to it. But the holes are very close to the edge, so I may end up replacing it to take it into safety again, because it forms cracks if you're not careful.
Yeah.
So I don't know, we've got to review that. A lot of this is, you have to review it when you come to fit it.
Well, you do, yeah.
Yeah. So that there with the packer at the back goes just there. That way round. That way round.
Oh, that goes onto the skin then, does it?
Yeah. So reinforcing.
Yeah.
And the packer goes there. And there's holes there in the middle. They go around those, and that attaches to the longerons that go along the fuselage.
Yeah.
And those are bolted on, nut and bolts.
Oh, nut and bolts those are, yeah. Oh, good.
Yeah, we've got ours over there, but that's the tool they've sent away for that lightning hole. We haven't got one that big yet.
No. Have you got? Will the one come any bigger? Because there's some bigger lightning holes in some of it, isn't there?
Yeah, they're the ones we've sent away.
Oh, I see. It's the tool for that lightning hole.
It's the tool for that that's slowing us down a bit, but we've got an estimate for that, and that's supposed to be coming next week as well, I think.
Yeah.
Like 5 and 6 inches or whatever.
Yeah. So what are you working on now?
At the moment, some of the skins have got stiffeners behind them, haven't they? All these things.
Yeah.
But they're all like these are all old and decrepit and what have you. They're
making all new ones.
Corrode. So we've got the new stiffeners. So now it's just a case of lining up the stiffeners, with all the holes from the skins.
Yeah.
So that's where I am. I said that's where Keith's doing that. Where he's there. But I say that's the one. They're the jigging holes there. Them two. See the white ones?
Oh yeah, with a J on them, of course.
Two there and the two at that end.
Yeah.
And they won't line up these jigging points on here.
Oh, on the flat surface.
Yeah. So that's what really starts it all off, is them two there as the jigging point.
Yeah.
And they'll start it off full then.
Drill pushes. Yeah. These are drill pushes when you get a hole. You want to find the centre of that hole. You push that into the hole and put a smaller drill down, and it makes exactly the centre of the hole.
Like you have done here on these,
Yeah, just put what we call a drill bush.
Yeah.
Because the holes are worn, we want the centre, and then you when you drill it off properly, you drill it back to its original size that it's supposed to be.
Yeah. Yeah.
So it's all nice and tight, and you don't get a rattle fit. So you get them in all different sizes.
What about that other tool in the middle there?
What, this one?
Yeah.
That's a countersinking tool. That's what you do to the material to put a countersunk rivet in.
Oh yes, I'm with you now. I can
Yeah.
see then. Yeah.
Because you get them in, all in
Like a
different-
rose bit with a centre.
Yeah, but you get them different angles.
Yeah.
Like the old type rivets that are fitted in these are the countersink is 120 degrees,
Yeah.
where modern type aircraft, the American, is all 100 degrees. So the angle of the top of the head is different.
Yeah.
But you can get them 97, 83, all different, all different sizes. And the idea of having so many is you can have them preset, and they're locked off, so you know they are. So you don't have to change the bit, change the setting.
Yeah.
Just for speed, really.
Yeah. And it'll only go to a certain depth with that outer ring.
It's got a micrometer on it. This, if you can see it, is a scale round the edge. I don't see it on one of the. Oh, I can see it better on that one. See, 20, 15, 10. Each increment is 1 thou.
Oh, is it? Yeah.
So if you adjust it out, each click will make it 1 thou deeper.
Yeah.
Because there's settings that you're allowed. You can't countersink all the way through the material. You have to leave at least 20% of the thickness of the material.
Yeah.
So when you look at the in the books, there's a drawings, and it tells you how thick that countersink part of the rivet is.
Before it opens up all out.
Yeah. Well, you get the plain shank, and then it goes into the countersink bit. It tells you how thick that head is.
Yeah.
So you know if that head is like, I don't know, say 30 thou.
Yeah.
And you've only got 28 thou material.
Yeah, you'd be opening the hole out, wouldn't you?
That's right. You just go to a bigger hole. So what you have to do is set it up so it only countersinks it to its maximum depth. Then the rivet sets proud, and then what you do is what they call milling. You mill the top of the rivet off, so it's flush.
Yeah.
Oh, you go in here?
You put the rivet in first,
Cyril.
or do you mill it first?
Oh no, once it's all set and it's riveted up, the head will stand proud.
Yeah.
So you just go around with a miller afterwards
and
make them all nice and flush.
Yeah.
No worries. Have a good weekend, mate.
Good.
Yeah, thanks for that.
Yeah. So that's what it is.
Oh,
you adjust it in and out.
Yeah, so you don't.
Then you lock it off with this ring. See the ring? That locks behind.
Yeah.
What you do is you pull it. Then it's like on a little tooth, and you just twist it one way or the other.
Yeah.
And then lock it in, and then lock it back up again. Because what you do is, first of all, you get a bit of scrap metal, drill your hole, then do some test holes and put your rivet in to make sure that your rivet sits properly.
Yeah.
And then lock it off, and then go and do them all.
Yeah.
It's only like that. It's just for speed when you do it.
Yeah, it is.
Like
well,
60,
accuracy
70.
as well. The size rivet and the degree of angle.
Yeah, you see on the side of that, it says.
My eyes aren't that good, I'm afraid.
It actually says there 100 degrees.
Yeah.
So it's telling you that what that is.
It's 100 degrees.
100 degrees on that. Then you get other ones that will turn around and it will say 120 on it.
So, Kev says you'll be offering that up first before you.
When we've made up the new one, and we put the angles on it, it's all drilled up, rather than wait until we've built the tip up and then try and fit the tip, and hopefully it'll fit. We're just going to fit that rib to make sure it does actually go straight onto the wing. Then it'll give us confidence to build the rest of it up then. If not, it's easier to adjust it while we've just got that than it is to try and adjust the whole flipping tip. Because parts of it you won't be able to get into once it's all riveted up, you see.
No. Oh, good.
So we'll get there in the end.
Yeah. Thank you, Keith.
They come without a wire locking hole in.
Oh, have they?
That one and that one's wire locked together, so is that one.
Yeah.
And that one, and that one, and that one's wire locked together, and they're wire locked together, and they're wire locked together. They've got to drill a hole through the head, take the locking wire.
You've done that one, have you? They're done.
Yeah, that one. They're all done. Top two are done, that one's done. We've just got these three to do now. A little 2mm hole all the way through the head.
Oh, the bolts, I take it, aren't hard.
No, not terribly hard, but they're mild steep. The thing is keeping your hole level all the way through, so your starting hole goes smack in the middle of that flat, and then 90 degrees out, it comes out smack in the middle of that flat.
Yeah, it's supposed to.
If it's up or down, it'll weaken the bolt and kill it.
So you've got to get that right. Have you got any spares?
Oh yeah, I got all of them.
Oh, that's good then. And then you've got to just rivet these in. Oh, good. Oh, thank you.